Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to reveal a powerful method that will help you earn $2 every 30 seconds, completely free. Yes, you heard that right. Free money online in 2024. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest money-making tips. Now, let's get started. Imagine making money without any investment or hard work. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I'm here to show you that it's not only possible, but also incredibly simple. Stay tuned to discover the secrets behind this quick and easy cash flow. Also, don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. So let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a reputable survey and research platform. The first step to earning $2 every 30 seconds for free is to sign up for a reliable survey and research platform. These platforms act as intermediaries between businesses and consumers, facilitating surveys that provide valuable feedback. When choosing a platform, prioritize those with positive reviews, a history of timely payments, and a wide range of survey opportunities. Look for platforms that cater to your demographic, as this increases your chances of receiving relevant and high-paying surveys. Once you've selected a platform, create an account using accurate information. Completing your profile helps the platform match you with surveys tailored to your interests and demographics. Take the time to verify the legitimacy of the platform, as scams are prevalent in the online earning space. A reputable platform will never ask for sensitive information like bank account details up front. Stay vigilant and prioritize platforms with a transparent and secure sign-up process. After signing up, explore the platform's dashboard to familiarize yourself with available surveys. Sort surveys based on payout rates and estimated completion times. Focus on surveys that offer higher payouts for shorter completion durations, as this optimizes your earning potential. Keep in mind that some surveys may have specific eligibility criteria, so read the instructions carefully before starting. By taking these initial steps, you'll set yourself up for success in earning $2 every 30 seconds through legitimate online surveys. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. Step 2. Focus on high-paying surveys with short completion times. When aiming to earn $2 every 30 seconds, efficiency is key. Focus on high-paying surveys that require minimal time investment for completion. These surveys often target specific demographics or require quick responses, making them ideal for maximizing your earnings within a short time frame. Look for surveys that offer a competitive payout rate per minute spent, allowing you to achieve your income goals swiftly. Prioritize surveys that align with your expertise or interests. Some platforms offer niche surveys related to technology, finance, healthcare, or consumer preferences. By choosing surveys within your knowledge domain, you can provide more accurate and valuable feedback, leading to higher payouts. Additionally, consider surveys that offer bonuses or incentives for completing multiple tasks in succession. These bonuses can significantly boost your earnings over time. To streamline your survey-taking process, utilize tools and techniques for faster completion. Familiarize yourself with keyboard shortcuts, survey templates, and efficient response strategies. Avoid distractions during survey sessions to maintain focus and increase productivity. By optimizing your approach to high-paying surveys with short completion times, you'll consistently earn $2 every 30 seconds, achieving a steady income stream through online survey platforms. Step 3. Utilize referral bonuses to boost your earnings. One of the most effective ways to increase your earnings on survey and research platforms is by leveraging referral bonuses. Many platforms offer referral programs that reward you for inviting new members to join the platform. These bonuses can range from cash incentives to points redeemable for rewards, providing an additional income stream alongside survey earnings. To maximize your referral bonuses, actively promote your referral link across various channels. Share your referral link on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Utilize relevant hashtags and compelling captions to attract potential referrals. Engage with online communities, forums, and discussion groups related to earning money online, and offer your referral link as a valuable opportunity for new members. Additionally, Consider creating content such as blog posts, videos, or infographics that highlight the benefits of joining the platform through your referral link. Personalize your referral approach by reaching out to friends, family members, and acquaintances directly. Explain the advantages of signing up through your referral link, such as exclusive bonuses, faster earnings growth, and community support. Encourage referrals to actively participate in surveys and tasks to unlock additional rewards for both parties. By strategically utilizing referral bonuses and expanding your network, you'll significantly boost your earnings and accelerate your path to earning $2 every 30 seconds on online survey platforms. If you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. Beware of scams. Stick to trustworthy platforms. While exploring online opportunities to earn money, it's crucial to remain vigilant and discerning to avoid falling victim to scams. The internet is home to numerous fraudulent schemes that promise quick riches but deliver disappointment and financial loss. Protect yourself by thoroughly researching and vetting survey and research platforms before signing up. Look for platforms with a track record of timely payments, positive user reviews, and transparent terms and conditions. Avoid platforms that require upfront fees or sensitive personal information such as bank account details before you can start earning. Legitimate survey platforms will never ask for such information during the initial sign-up process. Be cautious of offers that seem too good to be true, such as excessively high payouts for minimal effort or unrealistic earning claims. Trustworthy platforms focus on providing genuine opportunities for users to earn money through legitimate tasks like surveys, market research, and product testing. Stay informed about common scam tactics used in the online earning space. Educate yourself on red flags such as promises of guaranteed earnings, lack of contact information or customer support, and unprofessional website designs. If you encounter any suspicious activity or encounter a platform that raises doubts, conduct additional research or reach out to online communities for advice. By prioritizing your safety and sticking to trustworthy platforms, you'll safeguard your finances and focus on earning $2 every 30 seconds through legitimate and reliable online opportunities. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. Maximize your earnings potential. To maximize your earnings and consistently achieve the $2 every 30 seconds goal, it's essential to adopt strategies that optimize your efficiency and income potential on survey platforms. One effective strategy is to participate in surveys during peak hours when survey availability and demand are high. This increases your chances of accessing lucrative surveys and completing tasks swiftly, resulting in faster earnings accumulation. Keep track of peak hours based on platform insights and user activity trends to capitalize on optimal earning opportunities. Diversify your survey-taking approach by exploring various types of tasks and surveys offered by the platform. In addition to traditional surveys, consider participating in focus groups, product testing, online studies, and ad hoc research projects. These tasks often offer higher payouts and bonuses for in-depth feedback and participation. By diversifying your activities, you'll not only increase your earning potential, but also enjoy a more engaging and varied experience on the platform. Implement time management techniques to maximize productivity during survey sessions. Set specific goals and targets for each session, such as completing a certain number of surveys or earning a predetermined amount within a time frame. Prioritize high-paying surveys while managing your time effectively to strike a balance between quantity and quality. Use tools like timers, task schedulers, and productivity apps to stay organized and focused, ensuring that you make the most of every survey-taking opportunity and reach your income goals consistently. If you want to know lazy $306 every 10 minutes for free, Make Money Online 2024, make sure you click the video showing on the screen right now. Goodbye.